In this video, I'll show you how to change the year in your Facebook bio using your phone. This usually refers to editing the year in your intro details, such as the year you joined a school, started a job, or another life event shown on your profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile picture to open your profile page. Once you are on your profile, scroll down until you see the intro section where your bio details are displayed. Tap on the Edit Public Details option. This will open a page where you can manage the information shown in your bio. Scroll down and look for the section that contains the detail with the year you want to change, such as education, work, or another life event. Tap the edit icon next to that detail. Now you will see fields where you can modify the information, including the year. Tap on the year field and select the correct year you want to display. After making the changes, tap Save to update your profile. The new year will now appear in your bio section on your profile. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.